beautiful feeling. It's overwhelming but magical. Still shaking through the experience, but it was a beautiful, beautiful experience, and I feel like I found my new instrument. I mean, when I didn't know we were gonna use this, I guess I was just so into just going through the hypnosis, and then when I started hearing all this, and then it just I got it, and I connected in a way that I'm still shaking. I couldn't honestly. I feel like my arms still wanna, not only it's like I knew how to play. I didn't know how to play. It's a magical experience. So thank you, Julia, for bringing this to my life, and Maria, and that crazy idea. Nothing is crazy.
Nothing's crazy.
Everything is just
If
magical,
people think it's
beautiful.
crazy, then that's the one.
This is called Upon Everybody. It was a beautiful party in my gamma states, I guess, or up there, and everyone came. It was so overwhelming. I felt like a lot of people that I know I didn't know. This was a very powerful tool spiritually. Again, I'm still shaking. I didn't want to get out of until I finished. There's another party up there. There was so much love, but it brings a lot of peace and to the entire universe. I felt it, the shaking and all that. It's beautiful feeling. It's overwhelming but magical. So I don't know how else to express this, but to thank you and for bringing this into my life.